Guys, I have news. Oh shit, I only have 43 miles left. I have to go get gas. Whoops, okay, well, I have news. I have some upgrades, as you might be able to tell. I'll stop soon so I can show you when I get gas. But yeah, as you can see, I got a darker windscreen, which is completely black out. I mean, yeah, you cannot see through that thing. So yeah, it's not usable anymore. Something else is also not usable are these mirrors. I got stealth mirrors, and to be honest with you guys, both of these things are purely just for looks. I'm not trying to gain anything out of it. I'm losing visibility, right? It's all for look, but it's something I wanted. I think it looks so much more cool. It makes it so much more sleek. Those stock OEM mirrors are huge, come out way out to here, and they kind of get in the way sometimes. Now these mirrors, I think, more inside than the handlebars actually. So the only thing that sucks is now you can't see out of them. Honestly, I think I kind of did use my mirrors a lot. I definitely didn't rely on them, not at all. Like every time I'm changing lanes or turning, like I'm looking, right? I'm not only using my mirrors. Kind of sucks, but if it becomes a problem where I'm riding and I'm like, wow, like I really need my mirrors back, and I realize that I use them a lot, then yeah, of course I still have the stock ones. They're super easy to take on and off. It's literally just 2 bolts, take it off, and then put the new ones or put the old ones, whatever, back on. It's so easy and so nice. But yeah, I like the look of these so far. I think they look so sick. However, yeah, you just lose visibility, which kind of sucks, but... And then the dark windscreen, I mean, there's really not much to talk about. Just like the mirrors, you slide it right under the mirrors, 2 bolts on each side, put it in, and it's darker. It matches the color scheme so much better in my opinion. The clear just kind of, I don't know, it just didn't really fit in, but the black matches all of the black. I think it looks super sleek. So yeah, those are the 2 really easy upgrades that I just got. I want to say both of them were under like $30. It was super cheap, and I think it adds a good look to your bike for, like I said, really cheap. And I did actually do one more upgrade to my bike, which I will show you when we stop. And this one was a little bit more than just, you know, removing 2 bolts. It's a little bit more, but it's still nothing crazy. All right, let's take a look at those 3 upgrades. So yeah, like I said, here's the mirrors, here's the windscreen. Again, it just looks so clean with it on. I mean, you really cannot beat that look. The mirrors, like I said, were big and bulky out to here. The black matches the scheme. I mean, beautiful. And then the last thing that I got, which took a little bit more work, but we got it done, tail tidy. Now, this fender eliminator is... It's not a full fender eliminator. This thing was very cheap off Amazon. All it does is it gets rid of the giant tail back here. But as you can see, it still has the stock turn signals, stock license plate light, and then all it gave me was this bracket right here, and then everything else is stock, license plate, stuff like that. But it still helps tremendously. It looks so much better now that it's not sticking out 4 feet behind the wheel. I mean, look how much room you have between the wheel now. It's just amazing. Don't get me wrong, I still don't like how big and bulky these turn signals are. I might look into getting just some separate turn signals that are like, I don't know, this wide, just to be a little more concise. But overall, this is a huge improvement in what I had, and I love it. So yeah, that's my 3 improvements that I got on my bike. And I think with those improvements, I don't want to say the bike is complete, but there's not much more that you can do. I mean, you got exhaust, mirrors, windshield, fender eliminator. I mean, maybe get some frame sliders, radiator guard, but I mean, there's not really much else you could do. Tank grips, I mean, it's almost done, which makes me happy. Quad lock I got, yeah, I love it. I'm sorry. Oh, it's out! Oh shit! I was scared to kinda use what you got there. We're good. Oh shoot, what's up? Bro, get off the road. Hey. Watch out for that dog. But swing your partner round and round. Into the night it's going down. One more shot, another round. Into the night it's going down. You better dance. Let's make the night. You won't remember. I'll be the one. You won't forget. Oh yeah! And let it shine, just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. Oh, girls just wanna have fun with it. Oh, the girls just wanna have fun with me. These killing no good for me, yeah. Brah, da, 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 brah.